Well, this is our last day and we're now leaving our hotel and heading back towards the ferry which we're catching on later today. So we're going to go and catch a few more beaches on the way through. Stopped at the hotel La Roserie just outside Armange. Very clean, very tidy hotel, and the staff there were pleasant. Basically it's more of a bed and breakfast with a bar, no evening meals, and we left the bikes on the car park at night and they've been fine. While we were here we also dropped into Armange on the first day, where we stopped for a hearty British breakfast for 2 days running at I believe it's the Normandy beach hotel. That's more of a bit, I think that's just a B&B as well, but what I'll do is I'll put the links on for you so you can have a look at them. But Adrian and Karen there made us ever so welcome, and the guests there, it's like a big country kitchen table affair where you all sit round and have a chat and everybody gets on and pass stories, where you've been, what you've been up to. They showed us the rooms of their place and it was very nice. I did want to stay there initially, but I messed up with the bookings myself, so that was my fault. But I can, by what I've seen and how they've looked after us as well, I do recommend both the hotels if you're looking for somewhere to stay. So today on Armange we're going to go up and try and find Juno beaches and Sur beaches and a few museums and have a look and see what's going on. So last day, sun's out, enjoy the scenery, and I'll speak to you later. So that was Juno Beach and the Canadian Museum. Yeah. No. No, they don't. Okay, tours, directions, here we go. Yeah, you've got to go around this. It's busy. There you go, let the locals go about their business. Yeah, mind you, the weather wasn't, was it yesterday that, no, sorry, the day before. Yeah, going back round there, isn't he? Mind the dead seagull. Bring your ship. Now, we're going to go straight on, are we not? We did, we'll go straight on. We came in that way initially. Yes. So we'll head for the coast. Beautiful little port though. No, Port en Bassin is the one past Aramonch where we went through when we did the American cemeteries. No entry, straight on. Straight on. Fish market, smell the fish. Fresh fish. Beautiful. Yeah. Got the flags flying up there, British, Norwegian, American, French. Other side of the port. Yeah. Okay. That's the Pegasus bridge. Okay, we're just about to disembark off the Normandy ferry. The two lads in front on the GS's, of all people, actually came out on the same crossing as us. You know you are, gents. The firefighter from Manchester, with your little bit of assistance that we had on the port, all in good fun. Safe trip home. Back on these shores of Blighty. Not raining yet, but there we go. Good crossing. Slept well. Comfy. And here we are, back on terra firma. Well, just making our way back now from Portsmouth around some lanes, keep off the motorways a bit. So that's our trip, the Normandy beaches of France. It's been a real good trip, to be honest. It's well worth going to see what actually went on. You can get a bit of overload with some of the museums, but they are worth doing. So me and Jay, yeah, making our way back. The Normandy Beach Hotel. Thanks ever so much for your hospitality with regards to the full English breakfast that you provided. We needed that, I gotta say. When we got off the boat, you were a godsend. Just if nobody's done it, getting round on the Normandy beaches, you just follow the signs for the Operation Overlord or Normandy landings. It's well signposted to get to a lot of the places. You do need to do a little bit of research, finding out what you want to see, because there is a lot. The American cemeteries, the German cemeteries as well, Pegasus Bridge Cemetery, Museum, the Overlord Museum and the 82nd Airborne, all good museums. So yeah. We're making our way up now. Hopefully we're going to get back through the Cotswolds and make our way back to the Midlands. But from me and Jay, we've had a bit of a laugh. I'll put this little video together. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Any links I'll put below with regards to the places we've stayed and visited, the hotels and things, so as you can have a look if you so like. Crossings we use as Brittany ferries, Portsmouth to Caen and back on the overnighter. So from me, myself, yours truly, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and until next time folks, keep it upright.